Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. The recipe I bring today is popular and a staple food in every Goan household with its lip-smacking taste and flavor. That is Goan prawn curry. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. Now we shall put together our spices and grind the masala to prepare our Goan prawn curry. I have taken 1 cup of grated fresh coconut, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 6 to 8 pods of garlic, 2 green cardamom and 4 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 6 to 8 dried red chillies. I have taken 3 Kashmiri chillies and the remaining the normal chillies, 1 lime-sized ball of tamarind which I have soaked in water. I shall be adding half a cup of water. We shall now grind our spices to a very fine paste. Our ground spices or masala is ready. Now we shall marinate our prawns. I have taken 500 grams of prawns which I have deveined, washed and pat dry with a kitchen towel. I shall add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and I love to add half a teaspoon of vinegar. Give it a nice mix. Allow it to rest for 15 minutes. Now we shall start making our Goan prawn curry. I have placed a kadai on the stove, light the gas and pour in 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use a little more oil if you desire. Add 1 finely chopped onion and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. When the onions are sauteed and look translucent, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 4 to 6 curry leaves. Add 1 big tomato, chopped fine. Keep stirring till the tomato is soft and mushy. I shall add the ground masala which I had ground in the mixie. I shall add 2 cups of water which I have collected by rinsing the mixie jar. Add half a teaspoon of sugar. I'll be adding a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt as per your taste. Once it starts to boil, place the lid, lower the flame and let it simmer for around 2 to 3 minutes. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala. Raise the flame to medium and drop in our marinated prawns. Add a cup of water, few bits of kokum, 2 slit green chillies and a teaspoon of chopped coriander. Lower the flame, place the lid and allow our prawns to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Depending on the size of the prawns, Do not cook it beyond 7 minutes, otherwise our prawns will turn tough and chewy. Our GOAN prawn curry is ready. Can be served with rice, bread, appams and sannas, accompanied by papads and pickles. Do try this recipe for your loved ones and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe, till then, bye bye.